Hello friends, now we see the problem number 10, which is also based on limits of exponential function and logarithmic function of chapter limits. The problem number 10 is limit extends to 0, 7 raised x minus 1 whole bracket square upon x into log of 1 plus x. Now let's see the solution. The solution is quite simple. First of all, we denote given limit as a L. That is, L is equal to limit extends to 0, 7 raised x minus 1 whole bracket square upon x into log of 1 plus x. Now to get rule, we have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. So the next step will be limit extends to 0, 7 raised x minus 1 upon x whole bracket square in the numerator, then totally divide by limit extends to 0, x into log of 1 plus x whole thing divided by x square in the denominator. That equal to, now limit extends to 0, 7 raised x minus 1 upon x, so that gives log 7 and the bracket square we write as it is upon, in the denominator we left with limit extends to 0. Now we cancel x from numerator and denominator, so we left with log of 1 plus x bracket complete upon x in the denominator. So that equal to log of 7 the bracket square upon, now limit extends to 0, log bracket 1 plus x whole thing divided by x, so that gives us answer 1, and for is further equal to, we have log 7 whole bracket square. So this is the required solution for the given problem. Thank you.